guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another clothing review for you today. Today I'm going to be reviewing some clothes from the Kawaii fashion brand UNZZY. Going to go ahead and jump right in. The first thing I'm going to be reviewing is this Ulzzang letter t-shirt. It has the saying, "When God made man, she was only joking." I thought that was really cute, so I decided to pick that one out to try. I got it in a size large, but seeing as the shirt is stretchy, I should have got it in probably a medium or small, and that's just because the shirt stretches. I got it in a large mainly because based on the website dimensions for the shirt, it seemed like it would only fit a large because I didn't even know it stretched. So a smaller size would have been ideal for me, just so it's more form-fitting, because as you can see, I'm going to have to tie the front just to make it skin tight, as I would like. Otherwise, it looks like I'm wearing a child's large shirt or something or other. But otherwise, I do really like this shirt. It's really cute. On their website, this shirt does retail for $25.99. I do feel that's kind of steep for this shirt, but that's just my opinion. This shirt, I would recommend you wearing it with a nude or white bra because, as you can tell a little bit, it is see-through. I originally saw this shirt worn by Yellow Bambi on Instagram and it looked bomb on her, so I wanted to get it, but it definitely looks way better on her than it does on me, that's for sure. Still cute though. I would recommend getting this shirt, more so for the aesthetic qualities. Next up, I'm going to be trying on their Harajuku Japanese t-shirt, and this is my favorite item from them. It is absolutely bomb. Just look at the dope artwork, y'all. Like, it's absolutely sickening to me. I freaking love it. The stitching is good. Everything about it is just awesome to me. I love it. And on their website, this t-shirt, as they call it, I call it more of a bathrobe, it's only $22.99. Yo, this is definitely worth it. Definitely. Just look at it. The whole thing is just dope. The artwork, everything. I love the style. I love it. I can't. Yeah. You know. The sleeves are large, but they are sewed up about halfway, so you're not having a full gap there. And it's also squared off towards the armpit. You'll see it later on. I'll show you. It does come with a tie, so you can tie it up. The tie matches the t-shirt slash bathrobe kimono thing itself. Oh my goodness, look how cute it is. Amazing. I'm going to go ahead and turn around and show it off from all angles just so you can see it in all its glory. And here is what I meant when I said the sleeves were squared off towards the armpit. So yeah, there's that on that. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Next up, I'll be trying these retro sunglasses. They come in a somewhat hard case. It's not really hard, it's more of a, I guess, cheap leather case. So here are the glasses. The frames have a peachy yellow tint to it. I know it's kind of hard to see on camera. Here is a chain that it comes with. You can easily slide it on and off your glasses. That way, you know, you're never losing them. Hang them around your neck or just let it hang. On their website, these glasses are $25.99. Oof. I think not. I mean, yes, these glasses are cute, but definitely not for $25.99. I have pairs of $30 glasses and they just have a better feel and like a heavier weight to them. These, personally, I don't think these are $25.99. Maybe, you know, $10 at Forever 21. That's about it. These low-key make me feel real grandmammy-ish, but it's okay, I'm fine with that. I feel like I look like Medea, but I'm okay with that too. Besides the price, I do really like these glasses. They're super cute, but not for $25.99. I'll reiterate that. And this chain, it feels cheap. So like I said, $10 for 21. Otherwise, these are real cute. I'm trying my best to show off that peachy yellow tint. You can kind of see it here. But yeah, there, those are the glasses. 2. And this is how they look when you just let them hang. You know, that's cute. I like it. Okay, so that's a wrap for the items that I physically have with me. Next up, I'm going to be showing some more items I received from them. They're kind of subpar, to put it nicely, and these are going to be photos, and I'm going to be talking over the photos, explaining why I'm not showing them in video. More so because I gave them to Goodwill because I really just did not like them at all. So yeah, next up I'll be showing you some photos of other items I received, and yeah, just you'll understand why. I guess it would be funnier if I showed you on a video how they fit, but it was sad. I'm sorry. Okay, so here's one of the items that I had picked out. As you can see, this outfit looks really cute on the model, right? It looks amazing. Here's what I got. So here's the skirt. First of all, I couldn't even get this thing over my thighs. And even if I did, it would be a mini skirt on me. I know on Asian websites that a lot of clothing sizes run small, but I did make sure to convert everything to make sure that the outfit would fit, and based on the website, it said the outfit would fit. So I was just wondering why it didn't fit. Like, does this look like it fits? I was able to get the blazer on, but the blazer fit me like a crop top. My goodness, y'all, look at these sleeves. They don't even go down to my wrist. Basically high waters for my arms. I'm literally missing half a jacket, blazer, whatever. It was a fail, period. Needless to say, this item is no longer on their website. The same with these shoes. I can't find this on their website anymore either, but look how nice they look in the photo. But the pair I received looked like it was half-assed in production. The seams were unfinished, and just look at the material on the tongue of the shoe. Abysmal. Needless to say, this is not what I received. The material itself was very flimsy, so there was no ankle support whatsoever, and then the heel of the shoe was poorly made as well. It just seemed like a cheap plastic. But anyway, not gonna focus on the shoe too much. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, Mally Cats.